In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a tricep press on a TRX, otherwise known as a tricep overhead press or a skull crusher. So what I want you to do is I want you to place the TRX handles in the exact height that you would have your hands. So place your hands to the side of your body, relax them naturally. That height where you've got your hands is where I want the TRX handles to be. Once you've then done that, place the handles in your hands and I want you to walk out being completely center line onto the TRX. So what that means is where you've got the TRX suspended from, make sure that you're not off center when you're walking your body away from the TRX. From here, I've got my palms facing away from my body and I'm going to bring my feet back to create an angle. From here, my elbows are nicely locked in. So in terms of the position, so you can see front onto the camera, they're locked in like so. I've got the TRX all ready to go, feet hip width apart. And from here, trying to keep a nice neutral line with my body, I'm going to extend my elbows, so bring them straight, and slowly bend the elbows to come back to my start position. Each time I do this, it's a repetition. Make sure you're bracing your core and your glutes whilst you're doing the exercise to keep your trunk nice and stable. And that is how to do an overhead press or tricep press on a TRX.